you don't want to get into a note feud with me, just ask my neighbor who wrote this nice note. It was my birthday last weekend. It was so much fun. My best friends came into town. We stayed out all night. Then we'd come back and hang out at my apartment. And I find this note on Sunday morning duct taped to my mailroom wall, which is so passive aggressive because Saturday night my upstairs neighbor started stomping and we turned off the music so she knows it was me, and I guess just wanted to put my bad music taste on blast to the whole building. And she used duct tape, which ripped off the paint and just makes this place that we live in look worse than it already does. So I was irritated and I decided to fight fire with fire and write a note of my own. And oh my god, it is her lucky day because I also made this reenactment video. The thing is, this girl doesn't know who she's dealing with because I know Photoshop and I will use it. It got really intense, I'm not gonna lie. Whew, I'm sweating. The only thing left to do was to print that bad boy out and use painter's tape to stick it to the mailroom. The note reads, please use paint-safe tape when writing passive-aggressive notes to your neighbors. The walls in your supers appreciate it. Zach has some examples of what to use below. Oh, and did I tell you I'm a total troll? So I made another meme note to go underneath the first one, just in case she ripped the first one down. Oh, and I'm a total troll, so I made a third one with my apology for being loud. Hey, I'm sorry we were loud. It was my birthday and I had college friends in town. It won't be a regular thing. If there's another issue, feel free to come to me directly. Kisses. P.S. Florida rocks. These notes have been up for about 24 hours, and I'm scared to go downstairs and check on them, but gonna force myself right now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Right, guys?